Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today I will discuss about how to use 3D architecture Revit roof design. Basically different types of roof available in uh, process from house roof design 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 1 floor, second floor, whatever your home planning according to make the particular roof design in 3D model. So let's start from working in roof design. You can see that this is our model here. This is planned like that, and as well as this one is wall here, door, windows available, different types of windows here, and also gate. This one is also again window here, and this is the door also, it's available in door. Here you can see that rack, different rack available in the kitchen, bedroom, one single here the double rack. If I want get delete, so this rack has been delete. So this is particular rack available in here. If I get change the 3D model, so when move in particular this one, so right now when get start the roof planning in our home right now. So let's first of all look at this one is roof here. There the here you can see that many different types of roof available. Roof by footprint, this type of roof is available, and also roof by extruded. If you want get create the extrude, that's why. Roof by face, here you can select the face and create the roof. Soffit type of roof available here. Fascia type of roof here, and this is the different types of roof available. When I get make this face, here you can see that this one, it is asked from level 2. So when get level here and click the line, this line is also get click here, and same thing click this line and also get click this line, and same here you can click this line, and after you can do this OK here and finish, and look at this, convert the wall. If I get change this thickness here, so this wall has been standard wall. Look at this. When I want to see this level here, level 2, let's get this right now. Look at this. This is already predefined value has been available, and their size is also available in this roof here. So next again I will get the another roof design. So I will go to back, see this our planning here, and let's go to next level in roof design. So here you can see that this one enter here, I get inter and roof footprint and go to label here and get selection this line, and also get selection this line and this one and this one, and after OK. And now see this for roof design has been complete from 3D modeling right now. If I selection other roof, so you can use from this type of roof by extrusion, roof by face, and there are the many types of roof selection in architecture 3D model. So has been complete this model. It's like make the door, window, columns, and different types of wall, and use for predefined rack